When removing or replacing one of the HVAC housing flap motors on modern Volkswagen vehicles, also known as actuators, you will have to perform an initialization to relearn the motor positions and end stops. In most cases, you will be replacing the motor or the lever attached to the motor. Keep in mind, when purchasing the new motors, the levers are currently a separate part. Today, we're working on a 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan base. Tap Diagnostic. Tap Euro. Tap Volkswagen. Tap Service Function. Tap OBD2 connector. Tap 5N Tiguan after 2008 USA. Tap Service Function. Connect a suitable vehicle power supply. Tap Air Conditioning System. Tap AC Flap Initialization. Flap initialization will begin. Basic setting status will display active when in progress. Once complete, status will display basic setting ended. A success message will also be displayed. Press exit when you complete to return to the previous menu. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for tips and procedures for Volkswagen vehicles.